25% APR. You've seen those three letters on a credit card or loan offer and probably just scrolled past. Most people do. But those three letters can quietly add hundreds of pounds to what you owe. Here's what they actually mean. Borrow £1,000 on a typical 25% APR card. Make only the minimum payments. After 12 months, you'll have paid back around £1,280. That extra $280? You got nothing for it. That's just the cost of borrowing. Nobody explained the maths to you at school. Nobody explained it at the bank either. And that's not an accident. The less you understand how interest works, the more money lenders make. That ends today. APR isn't just credit cards. It's on your overdraft. It's buried in buy now, pay later apps like Klarna. It's on store cards, catalogs, car finance. If you're borrowing money in any form, there's a rate attached. And it's working against you every day. APR stands for annual percentage rate. All it means is, how much does it cost to borrow money for a full year, expressed as a percentage? Think of it like rent. You're renting money from a lender. APR is their annual fee for lending it to you. Here's where it gets interesting. 25% doesn't charge you once a year. It charges you every single day. Divide 25 by 365, and you get roughly 0.07% daily. On a £1,000 balance, that's about 69 pence. Every day, quietly ticking up. Now here's the part that catches people out. It's not just your original balance that earns interest. Tomorrow, interest is charged on yesterday's balance plus yesterday's interest. That's called compound interest, and it snowballs. Small amounts become big ones faster than you'd expect. Minimum payments are designed to keep you in debt longer. On £1,000 at 25%, paying only the minimum takes over 8 years to fully clear. You'd pay more than £800 in interest alone, on top of the $1,000 you already borrowed. One more thing the small print hides. That advertised 25% APR? It's called a representative rate. By law, only 51% of accepted applicants need to actually receive it. You could be approved and charged 35, even 39%. Always check your personal rate after approval. Step 1. Find your actual rate. Open your bank or lender app right now. Look for account details, interest rate, or your credit agreement. It has to be shown on every statement by law. Write it down. That number is what we're working with. Step 2. Work out your daily cost. Take your balance, multiply by your APR as a decimal, then divide by 365. £500 at 25% is 34 pence a day, or £124 a year. Seeing it as a daily number makes it real. Step 3.